All right, guys, let's see how the Relentless Trading chat room did today. Kicking things off with wrong bet. Way to go. Plus 180. Lucas, plus 4,000. All the orange names are students. Way to go, Lucas. Dash, minus 45. Not bad. Vizzy, plus 12. Using small size. Tim, 2,400. Way to go. Solid. Zay, plus 33 bucks. Sweet. Way to go, man. 1,700, man. The students are killing it. Handy Girl, plus $5. BMAC, 1,400. You're 9.8. Danny, man, way to go. Plus 500. Crispy Trades from minus 6,000 to plus 12,000. Way to go, man. What a turnaround right there. We got one here down 4K to up about 800. Way to go. Big turnaround there. Nicely done. Dynamo, 10,000. Man, whoa, whoa, whoa. Save, MX Trading, plus 15,000. Vegito, plus 12,000. And Relentless myself, plus 37.